How you are going to buy your first property, your first land right here in Enugu, Nigeria. So if you are looking to buy land for the first time, this video is for you. If you have never bought land in your life, this video is for you. Or if you are planning to own land for the first time, as an adult, whether you are in Nigeria or based in diaspora, this video is for you, because I'm going to hold you by the hand and guide you step by step on how you can own your first land right here in Enugu. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacinta Ukwa and I'm a real estate investment expert. I help people own genuine and safe lands right here in the city of Enugu. So when it comes to buying of land, there are processes that will help you to own your first land, which will lead me to the 5 steps I'm going to be sharing with you. So the first step is to know why you want to buy your land. Do you want to buy your land because you've seen maybe your friends have been buying land, or you've seen a lot of people around you have been buying land, or you've been hearing people telling you to come and buy land, to come and invest in land? So you need to understand why you want to buy a land. Do you want to buy a land because you want to, lock in your money in a land? Or do you want to buy a land for the sake of leaving something for your children? Do you want to buy a land for the sake of building your house? Or do you want to buy a land for the sake of building a house that you want to rent out? There are different reasons why people buy land. So you need to find your reason, because that is the only thing that is going to make you not to feel like you wasted your money at the end of the day after you've bought land. I've seen some people that have regretted buying land. This is because they never had a reason why they wanted to buy the land. They bought the land out of peer pressure, or they bought the land out of pressure among people that are surrounding them. So you need to understand why. For me, when I bought my first land, I understood that I needed to start building wealth. I needed to start securing my future. And I know that the only thing that will outlive me is land. I also wanted that if my kids tomorrow want to travel out to study, I have a land that I can easily sell to sponsor their education, or that I can easily transfer to them and tell them, this is me, your mother is willing this property to you. Use it and start out better in life. So this is what I wanted, and that is why I started owning land. And today, that has been guiding me in the kind of properties I'm owning. So if you want to buy a land, you need to understand, why do you want to buy this land? Do you want to buy this land for the sake of your children? Do you want to buy this land for the sake of your future? You need to understand why, because it's your why that is going to guide you. If not, at the end of the day, you may regret why you bought that land. Step 2, after understanding why you want to buy land or why you want to invest in land, the second thing you need to do is to know, how much land do you want to start buying? What is your budget? Because it is important you understand your budget. You need to know, how much can I use to buy land and still be comfortable? You don't want to buy land and go broke. I've seen cases where people will buy land today and tomorrow they are calling me, oh Jacinta, I need to sell that land. I don't have money at the moment. Please don't buy land with your survival money, because land is not like other commodities that you bring it out to the market today and sell it immediately. You need to know the budget you can carve out for just buying of your land. Do you want to buy a 1 million naira land? Which means if you want to buy a 1 million naira land, you have more than 1 million naira in your account that can sustain you after buying that land. If not, it will make you, number one, to sell out your land quickly or sell it under distress. And number two, you lose out on the full pottage that comes with that land, because land appreciates with time, and the longer you hold your land, the longer it appreciates. So if you now, because of you don't have money, you quickly resell your land or sell it off, then you lose out on the value it would have bring to you while you hold it longer. So understand how much land you want to buy. Do I want to buy a 1 million naira land? Do I want to buy a 2 million naira land? Do I want to buy a 50 million naira land, or even more? How much am I willing to use to buy land right now. So your budget also, I will say here that your budget also will determine what you want to use the land for, because if you are buying land that you want to build immediately, or you want to buy land in town, you know that your budget have to come up. But if you want to buy a land that you know you are not going to build now, that you will resell later, or you are buying for investment, you are not ready to do anything on it for the next 5 years, then you are looking for, your budget will be lower, because you are looking for lands that are in outskirts, that are still going to develop over time. So your budget will also determine where you buy. So if your budget is low, you are going to buy into growing locations. But if your budget is high, you may also buy into already developed locations. So your budget is important. You need to know how much are you willing to spend to own this land, so that you will not, after buying your land, you go broke, or after buying your land, you are regretting why you bought it, or you are rushing to sell it. So the number three step, which is working with a professional. Now that you have identified why you want to buy a land and the budget you have, next thing is you need to reach out to a real estate professional. That is a real estate agent, somebody like me, that will now, you will now relate your why and your budget to, and the person runs with it to find you locations that are suitable to your budget and suitable to what you want to use it for. I'll also add here that please be realistic to what you want to use your land for. This is what I mean. Don't say you want to build on your land right now, and then you know that you are not ready to build on your land, and then setting the real estate professional on run around, and at the end of the day you have not made up your mind to buy that land. So ensure that you work with a real estate professional who will now guide you, who will tell you the truth, source properties that are within your budget, and that are also suitable for what you want to use it for. Number four step is, after the real estate professional have sorted the properties for you, you need to go see the land yourself. So go and check out the land, because that is a realistic step you take to owning the land. Like my boss will always say, if you want to own a car, go and learn driving. So the same thing, if you want to own a land, go and inspect the land. Follow the agents, go and look out on the land. Look out on it. Is it suitable for what you want to use it for? Is it okay? No, check out on it. Work on the land. So once you inspect on it, inspect the land, you are okay with it, then you can now go ahead, the final step, which is go and pay for the land. Most times people overthink it, but the longer you stay to think about it, the longer you may never own that land. And I always add that once you see the land that you like and you have seen that it is genuine, go ahead and pay for the land. And before you pay for any land, make sure you verify the documents. And that is why you need to work with a genuine real estate professional who is going to tell you the truth about a particular property. You also ask to see the document yourself. What document does this land have? Does it have a deed? I've done videos on documents that you need to know before buying a land. Please go and watch it on my channel. So once you have verified, you can go ahead and pay for the land. Don't think about it too much. Go ahead and pay for the land. And if you know that you don't have the complete money of owning that land, you can negotiate for payment plan, and you make a down payment and spread your balance. Because you may never own a land if you wait to have the complete money. That affected me in 2022 when I wanted to buy my first land. I was waiting to have the full amount, and before you know it, the price skyrocketed. And for a place like Enugu, the price of land changes within a twinkle of an eye. So don't delay. As you are delaying, the price of the property is skyrocketing. Instead, if you see a land that is worth like 3.5 million naira, you can negotiate for a payment plan. You can deposit the 1 million naira you have, and then tell them, I'll pay up in 3 months or in 4 months. And they give you time to pay off for that land. And if you follow these steps, boom, you become a landowner. This is how you own your first land, or you own your land for the first time right here in the city of Enugu. So if you found this helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you need guide on how you can own your first land or if you want me to help you to secure your first land right here in the city of Enugu, I can help you get started today. And with our property that is located in Owo with 3.5 million naira, you can own land there and you can make a down payment of 1 million naira and spread the balance in 3 months. So at the end of this video, you are going to see that property is located in the fastest growing area right now in the city of Enugu, which is Owo. So I'm looking forward to your call. Call or WhatsApp me on the number showing on your screen now.